Nnamdi Kanu calls for more protests until right changes happens. Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, has commended Nigerian youths for demanding justice and end to brutalities in the ongoing EndSARS protests across the country. Mr. Kanu stated this in a statement signed by IPOB Publicity Secretary Emma Powerful, which was made available to the Whistler in Aba. The statement quoted Kanu as saying, "We are happy that at last the youth of this generation have come to terms with the brutality reality of life in Nigeria, which we saw many years back." He, however, condemned people commending President Muhammad Buhari for scrapping the Special Anti-Robbery Squads, describing them as sycophants. In his words, these sycophants congratulating this version of Buhari on scrapping SARS should stop doing so because nobody has scrapped SARS. What they did was to give it a new name, SWAT. The Nigerian government and the Inspector General of Police simply poured the old wine into a new bottle. This deceit should not be tolerated by any right-thinking person. The Senate President, Speaker of the House of Representatives, and the ruling APC and other individuals congratulating their newest version of Buhari and Inspector General of Police on scrapping the criminal units of the police are not sincere. They must apologize to the people for this international embarrassment. The sycophantic congratulations are a mockery of the blood of the innocent victims of SARS and other overzealous security personnel in the country. He further called on all the families of victims of extrajudicial killings, particularly those killed during the ongoing EndSARS protest, to come out and show their grievances to the world, Nigerian government and to the police, adding that the protest should continue until the right changes were effected. Quoting him, Nigerian youth must not relent in fighting those who abandon all their responsibilities in dealing with armed robbers, kidnappers, ritualists, and evildoers, and resorted to chasing after innocent people who already encumbered with hardship. Thank you for listening to this news. Yes, see, I want us to understand Mazi Nnamdi Kanu very well. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not trying to take advantage of this protest and spoil the name of Nigeria. No. What he's trying to do is to still help at least add a meaning, to what the people are doing or are protesting. What are you protesting for? And for what reason are you protesting? You understand? So that is what Nnamdi Kanu is trying to say, is trying to do. And while protesting, what measures are you applying to your protest? Are you just protesting because you saw others protesting? Or are you protesting for that very reason why the people are protesting? You understand? Okay, look at what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just said. He said the people, the people or those in power are congratulating President Muhammadu Buhari for the scrapping of the criminal force. You see that? That is to tell you that these people and President Muhammadu Buhari are aware that these people are criminals. And they still went on to deceive the people, the masses, pretending to have scrapped the force, whereas they have not. So who are they fooling then? Who are they fooling and who are they deceiving? Huh? This is serious. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Nigeria will never change, and that is why Americans are complaining of us. They are complaining bitterly of us that we are too corrupt. So Nigerian government knows that these people are not have not been scrapped, and they went on to announce to Nigerians that they have scrapped SARS. In fact, Nigerian government really need to apologize to Nigerians for deceiving them and making them to feel lost of what is actually in vogue. You understand? Just like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has just said, what the Nigerian government did was to pour the old wine into the new bottle. That is just a change of name. That's what they did. They only changed the name of the they only changed the name of the force. They did nothing new. There's nothing new they did. You get it? So they should stop deceiving the people and do the right thing. Alright? So, my viewers, let us not be deceived. Let us not be deceived in any way, because these people have not been scrapped. They are still very much on duty. They are very much on duty. They don't want the people to know that they have been scrapped. They don't want the people to know that they are still on to say. What is the meaning of SWAT? Nigerian government will never change. They will never change. The way they behave in advanced country is still the way they are still behaving in their own country. It's a disgrace. So, my viewers, what is your take? What's your take on this matter? Please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.